Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called clickdark. The site that is related to this extension is clickdark.xyz. This clickdark extension actually operates as adware. The developers of this extension indicate that clickdark provides dark mode for simple pages. In reality, as I said, installing this extension would hijack the browser. The extension starts controlling some browser settings, and periodically it displays a lot of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. These ads may point users to many shady and even dangerous resources in the internet. That's all because of this clickdark extension enabled. So we strongly recommend that you remove it immediately from your Google Chrome. This is the way you can do it manually. Go to the menu, select More Tools, then Extensions. When you find this extension, clickdark, simply disable and remove it. I would also recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best solution to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.